Now I am going to explain another part of poverty, social problems. Let's start. How to measure poverty? That means how a country measure poverty. Understand? The tools used for the measurement of poverty are the following. There are some tools are used for the measurement of poverty. They are as follows. National income. It is the sum total of all income. National income means it is the sum total of all income of the people in a country. This is the one type of tool to measure poverty. Now net national product. Net national product means it is the total economic activity along with the net income from abroad in a particular time period. Understand? Now, gross national product, GNP, it is the value of output of goods produced. It is the value of GNP means it is the value of output of goods produced. Output of goods produced by a nation during a particular period of time. That means during a particular period of time means during 1 year. Understand? Now, per capita income. Per capita income means average income earned per person in a given area. They may be city or country in a specified year. Understand? Average income earned per person in a given area in a specified year. It is the maintenance for a person in a country in a year. When the population of a country increases, the per capita income of the country decreases. Understand? Because population always affects the income. Understand? Population always affects the income. So when the population of a country increases, then the per capita income of the country decreases. Therefore, the population is inversely proportional. Population is inversely proportional to the per capita income of the country. Now, how to eliminate poverty? How a country eliminate poverty? Family welfare programs. If welfare programs prevent the unwanted birth and reduce the overpopulation, then these programs should be implemented in rural areas. Then poverty will be reduced, which is betterment for a country. Understand? We have to prevent the unwanted birth and reduce in the rural area. Then poverty will be reduced. Understand? Protection of natural resources. We have to protect our natural resources. Natural resources like water, minerals, land and trees should not be wasted. Understand? This shortage of natural resources occurs if they are not properly used. Understand? This is also the some causes to eliminate poverty. Implementation of social security scheme. Social security scheme like old age pensions, unemployment allowance and allowance for handicapped, sickness assistance, insurance should be provided to all people even in rural areas. We have Indian government should implement some schemes like old age pensions, unemployment allowance for handicapped, sickness assistance, insurance should be provided to all people in rural areas. Then poverty will be reduced. Understand? Improvement in agricultural fields. Provision of high yield variety of seeds. That means provision of high qualities seeds, adequate irrigation facilities, improvement in farming, animal husbandry and poultry, redistribution of land, development of small scale and cottage industries are required to eliminate poverty. Understand? Our Indian government should initiate such type of improvement. Understand? Then poverty will be reduced in our country. This is all about poverty.